I can't move my face.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a DIY. Yes, an easy, quick DIY. And this is a mask for radiant and glowy skin. So let me put my hair up and let's jump right into this, okay? We're going to need 3 easy, quick stuff you can find in your pantry or your fridge. We're going to need a clear bowl, some white powdery stuff. I'm just joking. It's flour, a banana. Please do not make fun of my raggedy banana. It was the last one and I was saving it for this video. And of course an egg. Yeah, so now we're just gonna put all these ingredients in this bowl and we're gonna mix it to a creamy consistency. All right, so let go. Alrighty, so now after we're finished, mixing all the ingredients, we're gonna apply this, all over our face, and make sure you put it all over your face, including your neck. So this is what I'll be doing in this clip. Okay, now that our face is fully coated, don't forget your lips. I am going to be using my coffee scrub, lip scrub to be exact, on my lips because my lips are dry and crusty, so I need some moisture. And you're going to wait until the mask is fully dry, and you can tell when this mask is dry because you ever hear that song, I Can Feel My Face? Yeah, that's exactly how it's gonna feel. All right. Okay, so now that I'm letting my face dry, I'm just gonna be snapping for a little bit. I'll leave my Snapchat code on the screen, so go follow me on Snapchat.
Oh my god, that was hard. But this is what my face looks like drying. I'm going to rinse this off and y'all see me in a minute or two. All right.
Okay guys, so this is what my face looks like wet after washing all that stuff off. Yeah, feels good. And this is my face after it's dry and I put a little moisturizer on. Yeah, this is it. So this is a quick mask for radiant glowy skin. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, like, share, and of course subscribe. See y'all.